Imagine starting every morning with a spa day in your own shower. Stick around because I'm about to show you how. Hi, I'm Shyla, a certified aromatherapist and part of the Simply Earth team, where we make creating natural products simple and fun. Today, we're making a Tranquil Shower Melt, little melts of calm that turn an ordinary shower into a mood-boosting spa-like escape. And the best part, everything you need to make this recipe is right here in the DIY Bath and Spa recipe box. When you subscribe, you'll get a new box each month featuring a fresh, fun theme. Plus, you'll get a free big bonus box filled with DIY essentials to keep you making all year long. Not ready to subscribe? No worries. You can grab all the ingredients for this project at simplyearth.com. Store-bought shower melts often contain harsh chemicals that you definitely don't want steaming into your skin or lungs. With this recipe, you can feel good knowing every ingredient is clean, simple, and natural. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. Let's make this Tranquil Shower Melt together. Here's what we'll need from this month's DIY Bath and Spa recipe box. 1/4 cup solid coconut oil, which softens the skin and helps the melt set up beautifully. 1/4 teaspoon of beeswax. This strengthens each melt so they dissolve slowly in the shower. 20 drops of our Peace and Quiet essential oil blend. This brings emotional calm and spa-like vibes. 16 drops of lime essential oil. This adds an energizing, crisp scent that lifts your mood. And last but not least, your Simply Earth soap mold to shape our melts perfectly for a spa experience at home. Let's get started making it. First, measure out 1/4 cup of coconut oil and 1/4 teaspoon of beeswax in a heat-safe container. Gently heat them together using a double boiler or in short bursts in a microwave-safe bowl until they're fully melted. One tip is don't overheat it. Low and slow is best. Once everything's melted and smooth, take it off the heat. Now for the best part. Add 20 drops of Peace and Quiet essential oil blend and 16 drops of lime essential oil to the warm mixture. Stir it really well to make sure that its calming, uplifting aroma gets into every drop. Carefully pour the mixture into your Simply Earth mold. It's already starting to smell like a spa in here. Next, pop the mold into the refrigerator and let your melts cool and solidify completely. Oh my goodness, this smells like a 5-star spa. I could stay in here all day. If I can make this Tranquil Shower Melt, you can too.
So now it's your turn. When you make this recipe, take a photo, share it with #IMadeThis, tagging from Simply Earth for a chance to win a $100 gift card and be featured.
If you want to make Tranquil Shower Melts and other spa-worthy goodies, grab the DIY Bath and Spa recipe box from Simply Earth today. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and check out these videos for even more natural DIY recipes you're gonna love. Thanks for watching.